people always say the ZL11LE is definitely not a daily drivable car. That's what you hear all the time, which I daily drive regular. I mean, every day, basically. I mean, literally and figuratively. My ZL11LE is 4 months old and it has 8,000 miles on it. So it's definitely daily driven. And we're going to drive it in the rain to dispel some of the bullshit myths. So, here we go. The moment of truth. Oi! Again, part of the reason I make these videos, you guys, is to dispel all the myths that we always hear about these cars. The 1LE and the ZL1, but the 1LE in particular, as there's just a lot of bullshit urban legend and myth. It's dangerous. They're not made to be driven daily. It's you can crash. The tires are all fucking weird and whatever. I love how people always say the tires on these cars are bullshit too, and they're not. They're actually amazing fucking tires. We do have the car in tour, and traction control is on. I mean, which we normally do when we daily drive. The tour in this car, because it's the 1LE, is not really, or the mode itself is not really for softening the suspension as much as just lightening up the steering and kind of just making the throttle response just a little bit number. All right, you guys, we're daily driving, and we're in a pretty heavy Arizona rainstorm. You should refer to these as monsoons. So far, so good. Full disclosure, I do have the Goodyear Eagle Supercar 3s. These are not the 3Rs. These are the the ZL1 wheels, not the 1LE. Excuse me. These are the ZL1 tires, not the 1LE, the 3Rs. I do switch them out just during the winter here in Arizona because of the rain, because the temperatures do get into the low 40s frequently, basically. So just to give me kind of the added grip and just a little extra kind of just safety while I'm cruising, basically, in the rain, because I do daily drive this car. But so far so good, man. I mean, like any other car, you just take it easy, basically. You do have to realize that the tread depth on these tires is not as deep as, you know, most, even brand new. I think you only get, what, 30 seconds as opposed to 30 seconds like the Michelin. So, you know, as they wear, you just have to take it easy because you don't want to hydroplane. But, I mean, the car feels pretty solid. So far so good. Now we're gonna get up to freeway speeds. Daily driving the ZL1 1LE in the rain, and it's coming down pretty good for Zona. We don't get rain ever here, so this is pretty unique and special for us. I know it sounds weird to some people, especially on the East Coast, but yeah, we never get rain here. So, especially in Arizona, because we don't get rain, we do get a lot of the oil and the other stuff that builds up on the roads. So the roads can get a little greasy. But generally, just, you know, because the roads here, I don't know, they're a little bit more modern. They do have those like grooves in them, basically, so it does allow kind of the water to drain. But we do get a lot of runoff on the roads because the ground here is so hard. So it doesn't absorb the water, it just lets it run off into everywhere, including the road. So some of the lower sections of the road, just got to take it easy. But so far so good. We can pick up the speed just a little bit. I mean, obviously we're going to get stupid here, but we're good. These Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar, the 3s, these are not the 3Rs. These are doing pretty well in the rain. They have about 2,000 miles on them. So they're not brand new, but it's good.